How to fix Instagram request problem. So to fix this problem, all what you have to do is, there is many ways, but on this video I'm going to show you two ways. The first way is you have to open the settings on your phone and then go to the apps, and then search for Instagram right here between all the apps. When you find it, just click on it. And now all what you have to do here is go to this option, it's called open by default, and make sure that this open supported links in the app is on always allow, and then go back and go to the permissions and make sure that all the permissions are enabled, and also do the same thing with the data usage. Make sure that all the network access options on the data usage are enabled. Now click on force stop, and then all what you have to do is turn off the Wi-Fi on your phone and turn it on again. After that, all what you have to do is just reopen Instagram and the problem must be solved. Don't forget to like, subscribe.